Good afternoon, student. How are you? Oh, fine, thank you. Today, the topic to the class is the how to detect fake news and verify data on the internet. Okay? How to identify fake news. 10 tips for spotting misinformation, recognizing fake news website, and taking very judgment. There are 10 tips. Number 1. Check the sources. Check the web address of the page you are visiting. Fake news sites sometimes have URL misspelling or using conventional domain extension like Infonet or Orphan. If you're not familiar with the site, take a look at the About Us section. Okay? The other tip is to check the author. Investigate it to see if the credibility, for example, is a real. Do you have a good reputation? Do you write about your specific area of expertise? Do you have any particular intention? Consider what the writer motivation might be. Okay? Is clear, student? The topic? Yes. Continue. The other tip is the check other sources. Are there other reputable news or news outlets covering the story? Are there reliable sources cited within the story? Professional global news agencies have editorial standards and extensive fact-checking research, so it's a good thing if there are also covering the story. The other tips that the fake news is maintaining a critical message. Many fake news stories and clever writing to provoke a strong emotional reaction, such as a fear or anger. Keep a critical mindset and ask yourself, for example, we watch the story writing, that is to promote a particular agenda or cause. Try to get you to click through to another website. Is clear? Okay, continue. The other tip is to check the facts. Credible news will include lots of facts, statistics, quotes from experts, and more. If any of that is missing, add the yourself why. Report with false information often have incorrect or altered dates. So it's a good idea to see when the article was published. Is it current or oldness? Okay. Is clear, student? Who wants to participate? Camilita, tell me that you have understood the topic. Yes. Yes. Okay. Very well. Who else? Pablito, tell me. Okay. Very well. Congratulations. I am very happy because understand it. Okay. So, continue. The other tip detective fake news is check the feedback. Even in the article or videos legitimate, the comment below it might not be. Lists or comments posted in response to the content are often auto-generated by both the people hired to post misleading or misleading information. The other is the short or words bias. We all have biases. Could they be influencing how you respond to the article? Social networks can create echo chamber by suggesting stories that match your existing search habits, interests, and opinions. The more we read from diverse sources and perspectives, the more like it is that we can drive the right conclusion. Okay? The other is check if it's a joke. Satire websites are popular and sometimes it's not clear if the story is just a joke or parody. Check the websites to see if it's known for its satire or creating food story. Okay? The other is to check if the images are authentic. The images you see on social networks could be edited for manipulate. Some possible scenes include distortion, strange lines in the background that look boring, as well as on shadows, jagged edges, or too perfect skin tone. Also, keep in mind that an image could be accurate, but it was simply used in a misleading context. You can use tools like Google reverse image search to check where an image come from and whenever it was tampered with. Okay? The other topic is the verified data on the internet. I use a fact-checking site. The following includes some of the more recognized: Snopes, Politify, Invoicing Check, BBC Reaction Check, the Few News Detector. Okay. Okay, very well. The other 7 was to validate internet content. Number 1, the searching in Google Scholar. If you feel using sources in your academic work, then you should make sure that you only use academic sources. The second is the check the statistics. The other is you have to take into account where the data is published. The other is content information. The content information, you must evaluate the web itself and the company that supports it. Is clear? Okay. The other is the medium corresponds to the published content. The other way is the frequency of publication on the web. Check the rate of the publication on the web where you have seen the reference. It's important. What is the purpose of the page? The check for the typographical and grammatical error. It also verifies that they link to quality websites as the reference in the article. Okay? Okay. Student. The next activity is the same. In group the 3 persons make a billboard on the site. I placement in billboard how to identify the news and verify sources and content on the internet. Is clear? For this activity, 10 minutes. Okay. No importa. No importa. My problem. Yes. Yes. It's the imagination. Yes. I placement in the billboard your ideas. Okay? Yes. It's important. Okay. Student, have 2 minutes to finish activity. Okay. Finish the activity. Who wants to participate? Marta, okay. Tell me. Explain the billboard. Okay. Oh, it's good. It's a beautiful billboard. Billboard. Okay. Oh, yes. The other person? The other group? Yes. Okay. Very well. Listo. Congratulations. The next activity to add the when the student understands the topic is asked to say yes. Okay. Okay. Homework. Make an infography on the subject. Raise. Please send my email. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, student. The reflection. Social network allows users to be producer and consumer of content at the same time. I have facilitated the spread of misleading, false or fabricate the content. This is how a vicious circuit is generated, and false news replicate thousands of times in a matter of the second. All this happens is a content on post-truth and termed defined by the Oxford Dictionary as the word on the year 2016 and refers to the circumstance in which objects are less important when it comes to shaping public opinion than appears to the true emotion or personal belief. The reference? Thank you, student. See you later. Thank you for your participation. Bye bye.